In this quick tutorial, you'll learn how to change delivery instructions on Amazon. Whether you need to update your delivery preferences or provide additional guidance for the delivery driver, following these steps will ensure your package arrives exactly as you need it. First, let's start by heading over to Amazon's website. Open your preferred web browser and type in amazon.com in the address bar. Hit enter, and you'll be taken to the Amazon homepage. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you aren't logged in, click on the Sign In button at the top right corner and enter your credentials. This is an essential step because you won't be able to access your orders without being logged in. Once you're on the home page and logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. You'll see several options here, but what you need to click on is Returns and Orders. This section is where you can view all your past and current orders. It's a handy feature for tracking, managing, and modifying your orders. After clicking Returns and Orders, you'll be taken to a page displaying a list of your recent purchases. Here, look for the section labeled Not Yet Shipped. This is where you can find orders that are still in the process and have not been dispatched yet. Clicking on Not Yet Shipped will filter your orders, showing you only those that are eligible for changes. Now, browse through the filtered list to find the specific item for which you want to change the delivery instructions. Once you've located it, you will see an option next to the item that says View or Edit Order. Click on this. It's important to note that if your item has already been shipped, you might not be able to change delivery instructions, so make sure to act quickly if you need to make adjustments. Upon clicking View or Edit Order, you'll be directed to a new page where you can see the details of your order. Here, you'll find an option to change the delivery instructions. This is where you can add any specific notes or requests for the delivery. Perhaps you want the package left at a side door, or you need to provide a gate code. Whatever your instructions are, make sure they're clear and concise to help the delivery driver find your location without any issues. Once you've entered your updated delivery instructions, double check to ensure everything is correct. Accuracy is key to preventing any delivery mishaps. After confirming that your instructions are as intended, save the changes. Amazon will update the delivery information and the driver will have access to your new instructions when your package is out for delivery. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your delivery instructions on Amazon. It's a straightforward process that can save you from potential delivery headaches. Remember, if your order has already been shipped, you might need to contact Amazon customer service for further assistance. I hope this guide was helpful, and now you can manage your Amazon deliveries with ease. Happy shopping!